What is up, RC enthusiasts? Back here again today. You guys see that box in the background right there? That's the MN86KS kit right there, which is the ball bearing and full, got everything accessory kit wise. So yeah, I'm not gonna let you guys sit here and be bored by just staring at this box. Let's check it out. There it is, guys, fully assembled. I already have it together for you guys. By the way, I do have a build series coming up on this in the next couple of days. Hopefully, I'm trying to edit it all. I'm going to have a couple videos on how I put this together right here so you could follow my build. But the instruction manual to this one right here is actually pretty good. So I do like this MN model. They definitely stepped up their game, and I am excited to run this thing. You can tell, brand new, unrun. I am using a Hobbywing 1060 ESC and a flysky receiver in this thing. Just simple electronics. The third channel has got the front headlights that came with the truck. They're the bluish colored ones, which, you know, kind of works for this one. It's a baller status ride right here. Let's check more of it out. Let's get this box out of the way. Check that out. Your rear auxiliary lights, brush guards, roof rack. That's for the KS version. There's supposed to be a snorkel up here, but I'd rather have this and just keep the bare hole right here because it wants you to remove this trim piece right here because there's two more holes down there for the whole snorkel to fit right here on both sides, dual snorkels. Well, I kept those off and I said, you know, I'm just going to run it this way. Looks pretty nice. Functioning hood, a little hard to open, but once you figure it out, it's not too bad. Same with the doors. Oh, so hard to open. There you go, full functioning doors. Same with the rear hatch, which is even harder to open for me. So I'm not. There you go. And check it out, something really cool too. You have retractable little steps right here. I wonder if somebody's gonna try to make a motorized servo for this. Check it out, both sides. Or you could take it off if you really don't like the way it looks, or tuck it under and hide it, but it will come off really easily. Well, I'm pretty sure you can tell right here, motor's under the hood, which is pretty cool. Axle mounted servo, so you don't have any bump steer, sorry. And if you can tell down there, you see a slipper clutch. That is awesome right there, guys. Hopefully that protects everything and everything lasts a lot longer in these things. So now with the front motor on this thing, now you're going to have a center diff. You can't see anything right here, but in the build video you'll be able to see all that stuff. But right here you're going to see you got your transmission and motor up there. Goes to a shaft down here to your center diff. And it splits out to your other two axles that go to your front and rear lock differentials. Metal ring and pinion gears in there and metal shafts and full metal kit this thing is. Full ball bearing on this one too versus the regular K version of this one right here. So you can tell I got the really bright colored one, which, you know, I don't mind because I do have a lot of regular colored ones. Alright, let's go ahead and do a size comparison. We have this guy and we have the popular C54. Front wheel to front wheel matched up. That's how it looks like. So it's a smaller rig. I'll put it to the rear wheel. There you go. As you can tell, that's a lot smaller. There you go. So you can see it towers above the C54. So it is a bigger scale for sure. Just to show you how small WPLs are, here's the C24. That's my four-wheel steering rig. And against its own D90, so you can tell, it's not the same at all, even underneath. You don't get this toyish stuff anymore. That looks legit hobby grade stuff under there. Here's an FJ40. It's bigger than that too, so yep, definitely a bigger scale for that guy. Alright, here we are at my hill run. Enough messing around in the water. Let's go ahead and get this guy going. It's 50% power, by the way. I turned the dual rates down to 50%. Different out on that little rock. Handle's pretty good, guys. A lot of weight down low on this thing. I thought it was going to be top heavy, but handles pretty well. Need to hit this one just right or you don't make it up this section. There you go. Oh, it seems to be stuck. Come on, there you go. There you go. Turn hard right here because we gotta go back down right here. Yeah, no rollover. Man, really balanced rig right here, guys. Ooh, there we are. Here we are, guys. My hill climb. Will it do it? It better, because it got easier. So let's go. Nice hard pack because it just rained. Really simple stuff. No loose dirt here. Well, there you go, guys. The MN86KS makes it all the way up, no issues. I ate it and so did the car. Well, alright guys, check out this monster right here. That was fun. It's balanced pretty well, no wheel weights, nothing. This is stock out the box with my electronics added and ready to go. What a nice rig, guys. Color, I might change it, you know, but for now, nice and flashy. Alright guys, you're on my hill climb as usual. Thanks for watching. And as always, be safe out there and go run that RC. Back to the water. I need to go save it.